Party started. It decided to rain just as the party started. And what's going, the hoists in the garage are still going, so at the moment we're all just kind of floating around, put the marquee out, and we're just waiting for it to finish up. It's probably going to get dark soon. We've still got a bunch of cars coming and a couple of people. We've got guitars, we've got food, barbecue. I don't have to wash my cars because the rain's doing it for me, which is amazing. So we've got some guys that are actually coming and they're staying the night as well. That way they can head off to a drift track in the morning, which is just around the corner from my house. So we should have quite a few swag set up tonight. It's going to be a nightmare pushing all the cars back in though, being all wet and slippery and muddy. It's going to make an absolute mess of the garage. How cool is it? So this is an EF-EL, so the original 660cc. So the Series 1 Daihatsu mirrors have a rounded headlight on the upper and lower half on the insides there and there, whereas the Series 2 mirrors have only the rounded top at the top there, and down the bottom here is square just like the sides. So if you ever wondered how to tell the mirrors apart, that's the easiest way. Yeah, it's a cool little car. I went for a ride in it earlier and oh god, it made me miss mine. I'm like, oh, I'm so low to the ground, and we're doing all of 45 kilometers, but it's awesome. Let me show you the progress on the hoists. The first one is up and ready to go. The second one is being finalized now. And they've got the little trainer wheels on the bottom of the hoist legs so they can move the hoist around. I'll just say hello to everybody.
Hello.
We got Janky. Janky started Twitch. Go follow him. Janky, what's your Twitch?
Jankies.
Jankies?
J-A-H-N-K-E.
Yeah, I was going to say you might have to spell that one for the guys.
Good old J-A-H-N-K-E-S.
We got Russ. Russ is a mastermind with pretty much anything electronic. And he's a Honda boy too. Do you still have your Honda?
I sold it.
Oh, no. No.
Hey, still got the motor though.
Is it a house
Still got
deposit?
the motor.
Oh, okay.
I haven't figured out what I'm going to put it in yet.
Didn't fully forsake and everything?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, did it go to a house deposit? Is that what it was?
Renovations.
Renovation.
I need a new kitchen, so...
Are you going to get another one?
Priorities, probably, yeah.
Sick.
I
Alright.
will, absolutely.
I'm looking forward to seeing what
Might
Honda
not
you
be a
get
Honda,
at.
might be something rear-wheel drive or something. I need something to put the K-series
Yes!
in. Yeah, I
feel like you go for an old school Beamer.
Yeah, probably.
No,
Old school, yeah, E30.
Oh, no, you go for some sort of old school Beamer and slap it in that.
E30 for sure. Yeah, I'd do that. Yeah.
Graham here owns the mirror that we were just discussing. I was showing them your 6 setup. Indigo owns the Sora. It breaks lots. And every time we go driving it breaks, so he didn't bring it tonight. Let's hope the Challenger doesn't break though. Somewhere over there. In the bushes. This thing's huge. Ross, can you stand next to this? Can both of you guys stand next to this? I want to see the height difference.
For reference, I'm
6
foot.
You're 6 foot?
I'm 6 foot exactly, yeah.
Wow. That is a huge truck.
Yeah, that's massive.
And then yeah, the other one here is huge as well. That's like, yeah, that would be a pain to wash with a sponge. You cannot hide. Here's progress on the hoist installation. The guys are smashing it out. It's looking amazing. There's the wheels. They'll push the hoist over and send it into the middle. Should be awesome. And these guys are on camera. Hey. We're about to have a pretty wild night. It's gonna be fun. You guys want to do the
We're gonna have to go back to get it all, I just realized. The first time the lift goes up.
Try to such that.
How's it looking on that thing? Looking good?